Rapid slide wrenches. How cool is that? Instead of spinning these things forever, especially for the bigger wrenches, that sounds amazing. But will they actually work and keep the tension? Let's find out. Got it here, first item packaging. So check this out, super easy, up and down, and it tells you the measurement. That's cool. Had to take down the old porch. Let's see if it's going to work. I don't think this bolt is that tight. So, oh wow, you can tighten it up, no problem. Look at that. I'm actually tightening it down, and it holds the pressure so well. And look how easy it is to set it. I'll probably this way. Lock it and spin it. If you want to unspin it, same thing. Just open it, set it to where it's tight, and it actually got it really tight. Look at that. Had a little bit of resistance. The next I can do by hand. This one is not loose. Let's see if you can have enough power to take it off. Yeah, and then there you go, got a little bit of power and take it off. Also, if you want to do it with the wrench, look how easy it is to set it. Obviously this is not a rusted bolts either, but a regular bolts that been sitting under the porch for I don't know how many years, like 15 years now, since we took it down. It's 15-year-old porch, I think, maybe younger. But as you can see, taking off this bolt's pretty easy. And it's, as you can see, set in there so tight that this thing is inside of the wood and it's still taking it out. This one is also really tight. No way I could do it by hand. A quick set wrench. Yeah, with this big wrench it's easy. This side here, for the other hand, probably won't work that well. It's so deep in there. But let's give it a shot. It's just almost nothing to grab onto. Yeah, it's just so tight in there. And plus all the nails in the way, I'll have to at least take off the nails. Also I got right here a little wrench, but I think big enough for these bolts. Okay, set it, and look, it works too. Make it untight, and then the rest I can do by hand. But in the beginning it was pretty tight, I couldn't do by hand. So that's pretty amazing. Never seen like a rapid set wrench like that before. I only saw one that you can spin it and things like that. That is just so convenient. Look at that. You just set it. Looks like this one is already the biggest, and then you go. Let's take over this spider web. As you can see, you need to take off the bolt, rapid set it. Nice. Get it initial on spin, and look again, so deep inside there. Scheibe. There's a couple bolts that is really tight, and look at that. All I have to do is just make it tight enough. Again, quick set it. Oh, this whole thing about to come out anyway. I need to take out the whole thing anyways. Is there a good tool to take out this metal things, or do I have to do it with the hammer? Let me know in comments below. So yeah, makes sense, right? We loosen them up, now I can do it by hand. Pretty awesome wrenches right here.